His mother is a single parent.
Yep.
Babysits kids in her home.
Gotcha.
So that's scary.
Yep.
Won't let him eat unless he does his chores. He hasn't eaten since last night.
You say when she does this, it's with electrical cord. I got you.
Yeah, all types of stuff. What if he goes back to his mom and she beats him again?
On the afternoon of July 27, 2024, Beaver Creek Police in Ohio respond to a quiet neighborhood after a woman reports encountering a young boy covered in lash marks and begging for help. What begins as a standard welfare check soon reveals a level of abuse far more disturbing than anyone could have imagined.
And then you find out it looks like you beat him, okay?
The following is based on official police records, and some of the footage has never been seen before until now. When officers arrive, paramedics are already speaking with the 12-year-old boy, assessing his injuries as the woman who called 911, Lisa Shawn, stands close by, waiting to tell them what she saw.
Can you explain what happened? I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I live in this neighborhood and I was out for a walk and took him riding up to me super fast and he stopped and he was crying and he's like, "Can you help me? My mom abuses me. I need help. She's going to come after me."
Okay.
And I looked at his back and I'm like, "Oh my God." I'm like, "Yeah, come with me."
Yeah.
So he kind of hiding. Called the police. Yeah. He's been talking to me. I've been asking questions. I used to be a probation officer for court, so
I understand. It's been the process.
Officers now turn their attention to the boy, who is visibly shaken, but nothing can prepare them for the details he's about to share.
What's going on?
Yeah.
How long has this been going on?
6 years almost.
Okay.
It's been happening since I was like 6. Yeah, really young.
Okay. I got you.
I mean,
You're okay. That hey, so I want you to know we're here to help. What we're going to try and do is try to figure out what's going on. Okay. All right.
Clearly visible on the boy's back are numerous long welts that stretch across his back, arms, and neck, some fresh, others in various stages of healing, indicating that the abuse has been happening for quite some time.
From what they've told me, it sounds like, is it your mom?
yeah.
Gotcha. And what was her name?
Stephani Miller.
Stephani Miller. Gotcha. It sounds as though she has hurt you a couple of times with extension cords and other things, and that's what caused these marks on your arm and your back. Is that correct? Okay, so really quick, I want to let you know, you aren't going to have to deal with her for the rest of the day, okay? We're going to figure out what we can do for you from there, but you don't have to deal with her for the rest of the day, okay? Really quick, is there a family member in the area that we can get you to that you feel safe with? It's okay. I know this is a lot, so take your time, okay? It's okay. Nope, she's not gonna come at all. She's not gonna come near you for the time being, okay?
Officers begin reaching out to child services to ensure the boy's safety and find a suitable guardian. In the meantime, they continue speaking with Lisa, who shares even more unsettling details the boy told her.
His mother is a single parent.
Yep.
Babysits kids in her home.
Gotcha.
So that's scary.
Yep.
Won't let him eat unless he does his chores. He hasn't eaten since last night. She's been abusing him for years. She smokes weed and other drinks in the house. She acts crazy. He's pretty open. He plays football. He had to wear long sleeve shirts to football practice.
Yeah.
He's like,
I get it.
The boy is helped into the ambulance, where paramedics begin checking his vitals as an officer stays close by, attempting to comfort him.
What's the blood pressure looking like? Blood pressure is when your heart pumps and then relaxes, there's pressure, and that's what it monitors, and that tops the heart rate. Does that make sense?
And you're a little stressed right now, so it's probably a little bit higher than we'd expect for a kid your age. But that's okay.
Yep. The reason we look at that kind of stuff is it gives us an idea of what's going on inside. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Awesome. Hey, really quick, doing great. I am going to ask if I can get some of those photos really quick. Thank you very much, sir. And so you say when she does this, it's with electrical cord? I got you.
Electrical cords, just like plenty of stuff. It's kind of metal like thing that you would hang about TVs with, a mount.
Yeah.
Lots of different things, a broom, yeah, all types of stuff.
I got you.
Like wooden, like utensils and metal utensils and stuff like that. All types of stuff.
When I was speaking with the lady who called us, she was saying that you hadn't eaten in a while as well. Is that correct?
Yeah, I haven't eaten since last night. Yeah.
Since last night?
Yeah.
Gotcha. And is that common that your mom won't let you eat for extended periods of time?
No, it's after I finish my chores, I have like morning chores, and then I have like 12 o'clock middle of the day chores, and then nighttime chores.
Okay.
When I'm really doing my chores, like letting the dogs out and taking the trash in the morning, and sometimes I have extra chores and I can't eat till I finish those chores. And I had just started my chores, so I haven't ate yet since yesterday.
Okay.
Officers hand the young boy a map on their phone, and he's able to point out where he lives. The 12-year-old is transported to Dayton Children's Hospital, while officers return to Lisa, whose concern for him remains unwavering.
Can I check in and see how he's doing later? A couple days or?
You can call us, but we aren't going to probably have an answer for you.
Okay.
So one of two things is going to happen. One, we're going to be able to make contact with an aunt who he feels comfortable with,
Okay.
and have her come pick him up from Children's.
Okay, good.
Or Children's Services is going to get involved. Regardless, Children's Services is getting involved.
Good.
But we're hopefully going to get him to a family member and not Children's Services.
What if he goes back to his mom and she eats it again? I know Children's Services is
So
gonna
that's,
monitor
she's
it.
not going to now, at least today.
Okay.
We're going to go make contact with her and
Attempt to arrest her. So.
yeah.
Oh, good. Good.
Yeah.
Following the directions the boy provided, officers drive to the address to make contact with his mother. When they arrive, they find 36-year-old Stephani Miller in her driveway.
Hi, are you Mrs. Stephani Miller by chance? Hi, we just spoke with...
Yeah, he got in trouble.
Okay. Good.
Where's he at? What's going on?
So, he was a couple streets over. He was requesting that someone call the cops because of some of the injuries he sustained.
He got a whooping.
I gotcha. So, by all means, you can do the parenting that you see fit.
Okay.
The hard part is he has open gashes on his back and scars from where you've lashed him. And so, you are going to be currently under arrest, okay? Go ahead and drop what's in your hands. Put your hands behind your back for me, please. Yes, ma'am. I am serious. Yes, ma'am. Go ahead and drop what's in your hands, please.
Can I
Hold on a
put
second,
that in my car?
Yeah, we can put all this back in your car, yeah.
Do I need my ID or anything?
I will grab your ID really quick if that's okay with you. Is there anything else that needs to go? Is there a reason you have a steak knife in your purse?
It's for protection. I go hiking and stuff.
Okay,
so,
that's fine. Would you like this stuff in your car, you said? Do you want your keys with you or your wallet?
I'm under arrest?
Yes, ma'am, you are.
The steak knife is a notable find, especially considering the boy claimed his mother sometimes used utensils to punish him. Officers place Stephani in the back of the patrol vehicle, and after returning her son's bike to the property, they begin questioning her about what happened, and what she says next leaves them stunned.
All right, ma'am. So what exactly happened?
I'm sorry. I did go too far. He hid the belt. I usually would have whipped him with a belt.
Mm-hmm.
And I've never whipped him this bad. So I probably did go a little too far with disciplining him, but I didn't realize he had any like you said, he had open wounds or something. I didn't realize he had that. He got in trouble and he got his PlayStation took and his phone.
Okay, what did he do to get in trouble?
He wasn't doing his chores and he was playing this game instead of doing his
Okay, I got you.
I'm sorry.
Now, there was some previous scarring on him. What was that from?
He's an active kid. He climbs trees and we hike. And he was running.
It was whips all around his body, so don't lie to me, okay?
He got in trouble for like acting up. So.
Okay, is this a repetitive thing?
He's been acting up since me and my ex broke up in February.
Now, I will say sometimes discipline doesn't really work for some children. Other forms of discipline work, such as, talking to them in a nice manner. Some kids don't take well to physical discipline. So it's just about changing up and how you do that. You can't just, I'm going to be flat out. It looks like you beat him, okay?
Yeah.
And no child should go through that. No person should go through that, okay?
Right.
But do you have any questions for us right now?
No, I guess I made a mistake, so I got to deal with
Things happen.
Stephani Miller was taken to the Greene County Jail and later pleaded guilty to 1 felony count of child endangerment and 1 misdemeanor count of domestic violence. On May 22, 2025, Miller was sentenced to 6 months in the Greene County Jail, followed by 5 years of intensive probation and mandatory participation in a domestic violence intervention program. As for her son, he was released from the hospital and later placed in the care of relatives under court protection, with a no-contact order preventing Miller from seeing him. If you'd like to see select new videos early and help us keep uncovering case files that rarely come to light, you'll find extra footage and unseen details on our Patreon. Channel memberships here on YouTube also includes early access to select new videos.